issue of the world, and we have fear about that, and we are also worried about that. And the issue is terrorism. It is a very big problem of the world. When terrorism, this type of terrorism attacks happen in that particular city or particular nation, that only that particular nation worry about that. Other nations worry about that, and we see that this thing also we see in people that in today's recent news are Sydney and in Peshawar there is a terrorism attack. So at the time, people are just sitting on the sofa and watch TV and just read the news and just share to their friends that I have knowledge about this news, but they don't worry about that people who died in that. 141 children dying that in Peshawar, and their parents are so worried about that. We don't think so. We just watch that news and pass to our friends that I have a knowledge about that. I think we should worry about it. It isn't our nations or governments and political issue. It is our issue, because that people who attack on that, we don't. If we don't reply to that people, we will get this type of attacks again and again. So I think we should react to that people, and in lots of schools they have also
march. Sure.
They also march and also light the candles and pray for that children that who die in the and not only to terrorism attacks, but people live near the area which is really near to the border. They have also fear to kill by that terrorist also. So I think the government should take a step to learn that how to fight when this type of situation comes. Not only if we are living in the area which is really very safe, Gujarat, it is really very safe area, so we don't worry about that. But what about the people who live in Kashmir and also in Pakistan? They have fear about this type of issues, because it is political. It is related to political also. So I think at the time they should learn that how to protect ourselves and fight in this type of situation. So I think it is really big issue. Not only government, it is our issue, and we should try to. Sir, German
Uproot.
Yeah, we should uproot it. Thank you.